briefly go over the instructions really quickly. You're obviously going to shake this beforehand, wear gloves to not get your hands stained, and add hot water. Hot water is key apparently, and I've also watched a few other videos on this, and a lot of them say to use hot water. That's the secret to this. Use it in a bucket that you don't mind getting stained, in your stainless sink or in a stainless pot. Anyways, the temperature of the hot water should be 140 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't have a thermometer, so we're just gonna boil the hot water and see how that goes. Add 1 teaspoon of liquid dish detergent and add 1 cup of dye to the mixture and stuff like that. Now preparation: pre-wash fabric to remove any finishes or stains, which I've already done. Every pound of fabric, example 2 adult shirts, 2 adult large t-shirts, use 1.5 mixture of this bottle, 4 ounces. So let's put the hot water in this now. So it just says to use about half the bottle. So 1 teaspoon of soap. We're gonna go ahead and dye this. I hardly wear this because it's white. White overall just gets really dirty on me. Just not the greatest color on me. So redid it. It's too late. Alright. For me, I just feel like it washes me out, but for sure this, I'm getting tired of this color as well. So let's go ahead and put this in there. I found something else that I want to dye. This shirt was one of my maternity shirts from when I was pregnant, so I have no big use for it for right now. Be careful if you have any light colored clothing that you're dyeing your clothes with. Make sure you wear something dark and something that you don't care to get dirty or stained. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in there. So I'm trying to leave these, the rest of the garments that I have in here, for a full 60 minutes. I have probably about 20 minutes left, so now take them out and rinse them out and hand wash them and let them air dry. They have so much going on, which is understandable, and it's just hard to get back to everyone. But I would enjoy answering your questions as many as I can, and I will leave everything in the description, every information that you need to know about this whole process and what I did step by step. So I'm gonna continue doing this. Overall, this project was just supposed to be like a fun project, and the way to spice up your unique wardrobe. Just a fun little get up to do. Just do a big stir of everything else that I have in here. So that blouse is catching color pretty good too. This looks like it caught on color really well. Okay, now this. Okay, the color looks pretty good on here. Make sure you saturate every part. And I really hope this video isn't long, because I have an awesome hubby, so hopefully he figures out a way to make this video as short as possible for y'all to not be staring at the camera, not be staring at your phone or computer for so long. If not, I'm sorry. Enjoy watching it, and I hope you like it, and stay tuned for my next DIYs. Go ahead and leave comments on what I could do better. I'm gonna do all my hand washing in my bathtub, and I don't think you really need to see that part of the footage, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This is me saying I'll see y'all later for this time. Alright.